Okay, good evening folks. It is Sunday the 25th of July 2010. This is my weekly outlook for the Euro US dollar. Okay, so basically since I did the last video, we've broken this upper back resistance level, which came in at the 1.2720, turning this market bullish. We didn't quite get low enough at this point. We had a nice removal here though, so I was still going to look to go long here. But we didn't actually retest the level. Um, anyway, so we kept going. So I took the Fibbo further up, and we've now come back the required amount, the 25%. And so I was just looking towards, excuse me, just looking towards Wednesday's high there to be removed to the close. But you can see we've failed to do that on Friday afternoon. But it's still looking fairly positive. So the fact that we've actually tried to get above there twice now, I would see if we do finally get above there, definitely looking to buy a retest of that 129.12 level. I mean, basically the Aussie dollar against the US dollar, pound against the US dollar now as well, and the euro against the US dollar, they're all looking quite bullish on the sort of the short-term daily time frame, sort of for the next few weeks, sort of thing. But you know, possibly changing after that. But we'll obviously wait for a signal there. So basically, trying to go long in this market and just waiting for the removal of a key level, which at the moment is that 1.2912 level. As I was saying before on this weekly, we've had a nice bounce since we made the TDF buy setup, covered most of the bar as we usually do, managed to hold this level to the weekly close on both weeks, which was obviously positive for the market. And then we broke through this inside week's high, and basically, you know, never looked back since then. But although it's a nice bounce, overall though this market still looks quite vulnerable to a move to the downside. So I mean, we're going to be on the sixth bar of a sell setup here. If we do get higher, become overextended on this daily, definitely expecting to see a bit of a pullback. I mean, we've got TDST level here at the 1.3581. On the weekly, we've got TDST level at 1.3817. So I mean, I think we'll probably become fairly exhausted quite soon, and then we may see the dollar strength come back in. But I think there's still plenty of time and plenty of room to get up to that sort of 1.3730, basically around about this area here that we tried to form a base at previously. So anywhere up around there. So like I say, plenty of room to get involved in this. So that'll be the plan this week. Just keeping an eye on that 1.2910 to be removed to the close, and then look to buy a bounce. Okay, cheers.